I left Central Oregon with the intentions of getting away from the snow. I just left my last spot, and so I said goodbye to Mike, and it's a bittersweet feeling to leave a friend. I'm a little bit excited to be by myself again, but also sad. But now I'm off to my next spot, so I'll see you when I get there. I did head south, and I did check the forecasts, but somehow I still ended up waking up in a winter wonderland. I just woke up and it snowed again in this other place that I'm in. I swear I looked at the weather forecast. I did, for the exact city that it says that I'm in, and there was no snow. There was no snow on the forecast. I'm just gonna try to drive and drive and drive until there's no more snow. I'm not the best at driving in the snow. I knew I didn't want to be stuck at the spot that I was at because I wasn't sure how long I was allowed to stay in this spot. I can do this. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. It looks pretty though, huh? So after researching, literally Googling, can I drive in the snow in an all-wheel drive van? And getting some reassurance from my boyfriend, I finally took off. Okay, let's try this. I'm scared. Sorry for that thing on my window, by the way. That's annoying. Okay. I did it! I made it out. It was like so easy. What? I was so nervous and like I just like rolled on out of there. So I'm still on like a snowy road, but there's tire tracks in the road. Also, Athena does not usually sit here. She's just really scared right now. It's okay. I didn't really have a plan at this point. I just kind of got tunnel vision and I was like, drive south, drive south. I couldn't go too far though because gas constraints. But I did end up finding a BLM spot that seemed perfect. I actually found a spot. It looks really promising. There's good service and it's only about 45 minutes away. But I had to turn around because I passed the only gas station for like over an hour and I don't want to get there with no gas. I'm gonna get gas, I'm gonna go head to that spot. It's on BLM land and there's pit toilets. There's toilets. I made it to the next destination, which is still in the snow, but I don't even care anymore. Now that I know that I can drive in it pretty okay, I'm not as scared of it. Dina has to be on her lead because she hasn't been listening very well. Words can't even begin to explain how pretty it is out here. It's gorgeous. Walking to the bathroom right now, or running, I guess. Apparently can't tell if I'm brave or just plain stupid. What am I doing out here? It's completely white. Oh my god. So even though this spot was amazing and I would love to come back when there's no snow, I was getting a little bit nervous to be stuck in the snow again. You know, I look crazy right now. Wish me luck. Oh, I'm really nervous, but I need to leave today. I'm mostly afraid of ice now. Ice is what I'm scared of. Patch of ice, but okay, I went over it. I went over the big patch of ice. Oh, we did it! Oh but I am gonna say that we made it out of the snow. I can confidently say that I would not have been able to do that without all-wheel drive. I have driven in the snow in rear-wheel drive cars. I can't do it. I've never been able to do it. I'm currently at the laundromat. I always go, so what I like to do is I like to go early and park right in front so I can just sit in my car and watch. I just got done grocery shopping. I do not like grocery shopping, even if I have a list. I just like get crazy and don't know what I'm doing. Sometimes you drive 20 minutes off the freeway to get gas for under $5 and you realize you're in Reno, Nevada when you're from Washington State. And you think, what the hell? Is this my life? Also, by the way, the gas station that I drove 20 minutes off the freeway for is closed. There's caution tape around all of it. So sometimes I can't believe that I made this my life. And it's so fun and so stressful and scary and exciting and crazy. And that's all. Okay, see you later. Okay, call me an idiot. Call me uneducated, ignorant, whatever. I didn't know that the highway that I was on went through the mountains. And I ended up driving just through snow. Snow, snow, snow. Everywhere I wanted to stay, I couldn't get to. Snow. So much snow. At one point, it was dark and there was ice on the road and everyone was going like 25 miles an hour on the freeway. And guys, I was terrified. I don't know how long I've been driving for. All I know is I'm trying to find a spot with no snow, but there's snow all around me. So I'm probably gonna stay in a rest stop tonight and drive more tomorrow because I don't want to get anywhere while it's dark. So the snow isn't like terrible. I'm not trying to make it seem like it's like the worst thing ever, but personally for me, I just don't feel like being in the snow. So I don't know why I felt like I need to explain myself. The snow isn't that bad, but I was just like tired of it and I just wanted to get out of it. So sue me. Okay, I doubt you can even see me right now, but I freaking made it out of the snow.